Hi all, welcome to our web. So today we are going to see all the science projects. So first we have the renewable sources model. So it has all the sources. Next we have the purification model. It can purify water. Then we have the eye blink sensor. It can, when you are driving, if you sleep, it can alert you. Then we have the description of a city. It tells all the sources. After that, we have the uses of trees. This project was made for signifying the uses of trees. After that, we have the volcanic eruption display. It shows how it explodes. Then we have another purifier model, which gives us even cleaner. And we have the math finder. It tells us the value. Now we can find the value of a square plus b square with grains. So next we have the electric purifier. It shows out how to purify water. This signifies the land air and water air. Then we have another purifier model. This is used in daily household chores. We can use it for water, a daily purpose. After that, we have the clean and affordable energy. It works from a windmill. This shows about the solar power. So it powers up the whole city. So this is what we have over here. As you can see, the light is glowing. After this, we have the solar power. Another one for solar power. This shows how things work. After that, we have the city diagram, where it shows the power of how much power the city takes per day. And next we have the significance of all the animals. It shows most of the animals. And now we have the solar powered working part. So it works out the solar power. This shows the working of the water power. Now we can see the working model of it. Now we can see all of the animals in a jungle. This shows about all the animals. We can see a rhinoceros, a lion, a panda behind the tree, another zebra, and a few trees. This is all made out of paper and printing. We can see some clay stones and a den where the tiger lies. And behind that den, there is a giraffe with some artificials and a few clay pebbles. It shows the habitat of all the animals. This project was made to show all the habitats, where all they live and what all they eat. We can see all the animals over here. We can see an elephant too. There's also a mountain. Thank you all for watching.